give us an idea, I just want to know roughly what we're dealing with today.
Yeah.
Because look, I can go and put two extra meters on that mini drum, set that whole reel on back.
Yep.
So how many is that? That's the first one?
Yeah, it's one, yep. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's one just there.
Right.
We'll look on the other way, but... So there should be two on there.
So we're still in 6, aren't we?
Yeah.
We haven't gone through it yet.
Just see. So that's not been paid yet.
Nah. There's an okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
3.
There's a paid there.
Yeah.
Right. 45.
45 up the other way.
That's at least up.
4.
We don't, you gave it, were you wrong?
6.
I'm still 5.
There was that one for 6.
There's a
7.
fucking J, that's a junction on its back.
So that needs a JP.
Yep.
So Matt, you count JPs. 1.
Junction patch.
Oh, JP.
8.
Look like our roots up it too.
Go back, there's no way on the part, but.
If you're going to cut it though, you need to have it covered.
I guess I have to go these. Nine. 10.
Fuck.
11.
We don't know what that is. Does that look like it's a... We should get a string. Going in from the men's toilet. It's been relined down through the dropper. Main line starts there. Junction cut. Junction cut for the next toilet. Junction cut for junction patch on the middle women's toilet. Branch line to floor waste, or urinal, floor waste actually. That's toilet, women's toilet number 2, 3 maybe, sorry. Yeah. And 6x4 transition. There's a junction cut just around this corner, which may be very difficult to see. Very hard to see just on the right there. That's dead, that junction. And then there's a junction cut on the roof. And then we're in the boundary trap. Men's toilet. Relined down through there. Relined down through there. to install it. Reline. Relined. And junction patched. And relined.
If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notifications bell to get notified when we post new videos.